Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Lokesh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aradhya. Let everybody join and then I'll be starting.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, children, turn on the videos now. Just we, Aradhya, Lokesh, Manogna, Vidit, Samanvi. Turn on the video. So yesterday we have discussed about the culinary practices, what are the different methods of cooking, how the traditional things have been changed into the modern things, right? Samanvi, turn on the video. So, and apart from that, we started writing also, and we have completed about the health. What is health? And to whom we can say that they are a healthy person. And then we wrote about the food, definition of food, and the importance of food, right? But still, many things are left out to write. So today we will be writing, and then if the time remains, then we'll be going for the teaching part of it. Okay with it, Lokesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Manogna, okay? Samanvi, Radhya,
Yes, ma'am.
Jasvi.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So let me also take out my pen. You can also take out a copy. Write today's date. Manogna, turn on the video. Samanvi, turn on the video. Manogna, I can see you now. So take out your copy. We will be writing those topic what we have completed yesterday. Okay, Manogna? Is my screen visible to you all? Is it visible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And children, you should not chat with anyone. You know, whatever you are chatting, basically, we are getting in our recordings. So those sometimes, we have read something which is not being required, which is not appropriate. You all are doing those kind of stuff and all. So I don't want any child to use the chat option. Just with the teachers, you can use it. Don't use with your friends because we are able to download all your chats and all. Okay, don't do that. If you have any doubt, definitely you can use it. But for the other reasons and all, don't do use it. Because directly we can get the PDF and all and we can read the chat and it does not look right good when we read the chat which is not good actually. Okay, so for today it will be the mindful eating L2, L3 actually. So continue writing from where you have left yesterday. We have discussed about the food and the importance of the food. Now the next thing is next question is why do food differ? Food habit differs or the food will differ? So different area, different state will have the different types of the food. Why is it so? There are the reasons actually. The first reason it depends upon the
Ma'am,
crop. Yeah, tell me.
after why do we need food only? We have to continue,
Correct.
right?
Yes. So different states, different region will have the different kinds of the food. It is because it depends upon the availability of the crop. What kind of the crop is available?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I just now joined. Did you write in the before page anything?
No, only the heading I have written it.
Lesson 3, ma'am.
Lecture 3.
Uh,
The second reason why the food is different in the different states and all, it is because of the climatic conditions. Since the climate of all the region is different, that is why the different food habit will be there. Then the third reason is the tradition. So local traditions and culture are being followed. Because of that also the food is different in the different region. Then the next one, it is about the religious practices. So sometimes what happens, we feel like, in our festival, we have to make this, it is compulsory. This God likes this kind of thing. So because of that, also it varies. Then the last reason is economic condition. So some people will be very rich, some will be middle class, some will be below the middle class. So what happened? The requirement of food depends upon the money, what do they have. So these are the reason because of which, just a minute. Then the next one is the culinary practices. As we have discussed yesterday, this topic we have discussed yesterday. So when we talk about the definition of culinary practices, basically they are the method. So culinary practices are the methods.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
in why do food habits differ? Last point is economic conditions.
Yes. So culinary practices are the methods and techniques used to prepare, cook, and serve food. Then the common type of culinary practices are first one, washing vegetables before cook. Is it done, children, with this page? Once it is done, do let me know. We'll go to the next page then. Is it done, children?
Ma'am, almost.
Vidit, which point you are writing, Vidit?
Now I'm writing coronary practices.
Okay. Manogna, which point?
I'm done.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I just now joined, so I'm in the first first one in the fifth point.
Okay. Write fast.
Ma'am, I'm done with the fifth point in the first bit, but can you tell the spelling of the first word?
Economic.
Oh, okay.
ECONOMIC.
That looked like some
Maybe
like Star Eiffel.
because of G actually. G is coming in between.
Oh, okay. Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, I could not understand this word. X second subheading second line.
Culinary practices are the methods and techniques.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hardik, today you have joined late.
Ma'am, I was not able to join the link, ma'am. There was a small network issue.
Okay, no problem. So just we have started writing about all these things. Now what you can do, you can just take the screenshot of the page and then maybe after some time you can write it, okay? Everybody has done with this page, children? Do it fast, if not. Done, children?
Just a second, I'm almost here. Ma'am, no, ma'am. I'm in the coloring practices.
Ma'am, is this the first page?
Yeah, Hardik, this is the first page.
Okay.
Children, now you have to start increasing your speed. You are in the grade 6.
Ma'am, I'm in the common culinary practices.
Okay, Radhya.
Hello. Me too.
Okay.
Ma'am, do we have more points for the common color
Yes,
practices?
yes, we have. This is only the first point what I have written here.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, Samanvi. Samanvi has done. Mukesh has done. Vidit?
Ma'am, done.
Okay, Vidit. Now Manogna, Radhya, Jasvi.
I'm in coloring practices, ma'am.
Okay. Now should I move to the next page, children?
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, just 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, Manu.
Okay.
Manogna, shall I change the page now?
Ma'am, just 1 minute, ma'am. I'm in the common calorie practices
Okay.
point.
Okay, okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the next point for the same thing
Ma'am,
is, yeah,
ma'am, I'm in at the end of culinary practices, ma'am. Ma'am, almost done.
do it fast, do it fast. Shall I move now, Advik?
Ma'am, in the last point.
Now, next page, children, you should write along with me. What point I am writing, the same way you should write it, okay? So that everybody can complete on the same time. Done, Advik?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay. Now, the next one, peeling and cutting of the ingredients. Then grinding the spices. Then mixing ingredients. Then cooking of the food. Then serving of the food is also coming under the culinary practices. Now, the importance of culinary practices. First thing is it improves taste and flavor. Then it increase digestibility. Then it make food safe to eat. Then it help in preserving the nutrients. Then it also help in improving the appearance of food. Then the next one, how have cooking practices changed over time? change over time. So for here, the earlier people, they used simple tools. But now, with technological development, cooking became easier, faster. Easier and fast. So write this, and then we will be writing what were used in the olden times and now what we are using in place of them.
Ma'am, yesterday I ate muskmelon. It was good. It didn't have any worms or anything.
Correct. So that's what, like, you should always check whenever you eat, because we can't stop eating, right? But at least we can check them many times.
I'm done.
Okay, good, Lokesh. Others also completed soon.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, good, Advik. Do it fast, otherwise someone be Radhya, Jasvi, Manogna.
Ma'am, I'm in the who have cooking practices.
Okay, okay,
Have.
okay.
Change. I'm done.
Okay, Sumanvi. Others also is it done? Should we go to the next page?
Mama. Just 1 second.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, are there more notes?
Yes, still we have many things to write. So today we should complete it so that next time when we meet on Monday, we should start the new topic.
New chapter.
Not chapter, topic. Chapter is very big. Manogna, which line are you
Actually,
writing?
for me,
Ma'am,
I had my second chapter as magnet in our book, and we started magnets, not
Even for
this
me.
mindful eating. Explore magnets for me.
Our teacher is also in magnets chapter. Even
Okay.
us.
Fine, no problem.
Yeah.
After this, we can start magnet also, exploring magnet, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Fine, we can do that also.
ma'am,
But we'll
I mean,
complete this.
ma'am, in our book, the first chapter was Wonderful World of Science only, ma'am, and the second chapter was also Diversity in Living World.
And third
I
will be
don't
mindful
remember the
eating,
third
right?
chapter. Ma'am?
Yes.
Third is mindful eating for you.
Ma'am, don't know, ma'am. I don't know about it.
Okay, no, but I think if you check your book, there will be third chapter as mindful eating only. But
Ma'am,
no,
done. Ma'am, we are done with
Okay, good, good.
the first 4 chapters.
Okay, okay. Manogna
Like-
done?
We are half.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, fine. Now I'm going to the next page now, children.
1 minute, 1 minute. The last line of
Okay, Radhe, write fast.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now here, what you need to do is you have to make the two tables. Two tables you have to make it. And we will be writing about the changes which have been happened. So one side we are going to write about the traditional tools. And the second side we are going to write about the modern tool.
Ma'am, like what we discussed in previous classes, like Silberta and all.
Yeah, that only like. So it was Shulha, which is like the wood stove. But now we have the LPG gas stove. So earlier there used to be silbatta, which was also called as in English as grinding stone. But now it
Ma'am,
is
how many will we be writing? Because I have a place, so I'll just measure it and do.
seven. Seven we will be writing.
Ma'am, what is that first one, ma'am? Is it L or D?
CHULHA. Chulha.
Okay. Okay.
Then the next one is the hand operated chakki. Now we have the flow mill. Before we used to have the mortar and pestle, but now we have the electric blender. Then before we used to have the clay pot to cook the dishes, but now we have the pressure cooker. Then before we used to have the hand churner. But now we have the electric beater. So before we used to have the firewood, but now we are using the LPG or the induction kind of the stove. So these are the certain changes which happen from the traditional era to the modern era.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
still we have more than this?
For this topic, that's the thing. Now we should write about the advantages of the modern cooking.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done with it.
Okay, Atvik. Others? Is it done or still you're writing?
Ma'am, I'm still writing. Ma'am,
Okay.
even I'm not.
No problem, no problem. You take 2 to 3 minutes more and then we will be going to the next topic.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me, Lokesh.
ma'am, our connection gone. So John from mobile.
Okay. So have you wrote or not?
Ma'am,
You can write it. You can write it now.
Ma'am, what is after hand operated chakki in traditional tool only?
Motor, MORTAR. Vidit, which point you are writing?
Last one. Then,
Okay, okay, Vidit.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, someone be good.
Ma'am, can I send? Or
No. We are writing. We are going to write one more topic. And children, this week, shall I give you the chapter number 1 only, The Wonderful World of Science?
What, ma'am?
For the test, yeah, for the Sunday test, shall I give the chapter number 1 only?
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Fine.
ma'am, only the like tick options or the like how it was last.
Both it will be together.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
my school will start at June 14th, ma'am. So we didn't start any lesson yet.
Oh, you mean like you are not aware of anything from that chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We still didn't start any lesson yet.
But Manogna, the chapter number 1 will be the same chapter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then in that case, Manogna, what we'll do, this week test you skip, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. And maybe from next week, then you can start writing the test.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
And once I get the time, somewhere maybe in a week or 2, I'll explain you the chapter again. The first
Okay,
chapter.
ma'am.
For Vidit also same thing. Vidit chapter number 1, I'll explain you once I get the time, maybe, in this week or the coming week.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, should we keep a separate book for math?
Sorry?
Ma'am, should we keep a separate book for math?
Separate book for math means?
Ma'am, like there are different subjects, ma'am.
No, I did not get you. Like what? You're talking about different subjects?
Ma'am, I'm writing science in a new book and maths in another book.
You
Like
can
that.
do that. Yes, you can do that with it. Or else what you can do, the same book you can divide into 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine, it's up to you. Either you divide into 2, either you make it separately. No problem in that.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, children, shall I go to the last page now? Last point.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has done?
Ma'am, I'm not done yet, ma'am.
Who
I'm
has
done.
not done yet?
Just 2 minutes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Should I go now next page, children, if everybody has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the last small topic is about the advantages. So, why these advantages? What are the advantages of the modern cooking methods? The first point is that it saves time. Second, it requires less effort. Then third is better hygiene. The fourth is faster cooking. And the last one is it is the fuel efficient. So these are the certain points which are being related to the.
Ma'am, after writing this, we can send, right?
Yeah, after writing this, you can start sending now.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, till here only.
You have to send on my WhatsApp number.
Yes, ma'am, but like what you just wrote now is still here.
Yeah, till here only. Now
Okay.
we are not going to write anything further.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you just go back before one, ma'am? Before
You
page.
want me to go back?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can you show me the next page for some, and then can you?
Ma'am?
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I'm
I'm
done with it,
sending
ma'am.
you now.
Okay, you can send it. Lokesh, you want me to go back?
Ma'am, I'm
Yes,
done
you can
with
go
it,
ahead.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I
I'm
send the
done
notes?
with it.
Children,
Ma'am,
just a
can I send the
minute.
notes?
Yeah, those who are done, you can start sending the notes. Those who are not done, you can just do it now.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you once go to the page of this?
Ma'am, you better send everyone the notes, or else they'll be like, ma'am, front, ma'am, back, or else like that.
Yes, this is what, like, that's what I wanted you all. Maybe see, you were in the grade 5. Now it will take,
Ma'am, there's
almost.
5 points. This much time they are taking, ma'am.
See what happened, I'll tell you. Everybody is not same, right, children? We should manage with all. And at the same time, slowly and gradually, I think within a month time more, you will be coming on the same page. You will be able to write in a faster manner. Okay. So it is hardly a matter of 1 month. And we'll wait. We will wait and we'll make them to, write fast. No problem. So I'm getting it from Samanvi. Samanvi has started sending me. Others also start sending now.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, you can go to the back page.
Sure. Okay.
Ma'am, I have sent you.
Yes, Samanvi, I've received. Thank you. Okay, now I'm receiving it from Vidit also.
Ma'am, I sent you.
Yes, I have received Vidit. Thank you.
Ma'am, I've sent it.
Yes, Jasvi, I have received. Thank you.
No, ma'am, I have sent. Ma'am, can I leave?
Aradhya, I have received. Yes, thank you. Yeah, Jasvi.
Ma'am,
Bye,
can I?
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes,
Ma'am,
Aradhya,
can
I
I
have received.
say, ma'am, bye?
Bye.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yes, Amanvi, you may.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yes, Vidit. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Ma'am, can you wait for some?
Mama, Mama,
Okay,
Mama has
Advik, I have received. Thank you, Advik.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Ma'am, last point.
Okay, Lokesh.
Amma, Amma, Ukshara,
I'm done, ma'am. Can I leave and send?
Ma Ukshara,
Ma'am, can I leave and send the notes? Hello? Ma'am?